Hello, I wanted to do a review today of these LED closet lights that the brand sent to me. I absolutely love this product because it has so many versatile and cool different features. First of all, I love how it comes with this charging station, so you can charge 3 at a time. As you can see, it was super simple to set up, super simple to charge. I absolutely love that these lights actually come with a these are remote battery operated, so it's so simple just to use them on a remote. As you can see, they are red when they are charging, so setting it up super simple. It comes with little magnets, and then take off the sticker and stick to wherever you would like them to stick. I chose to put them underneath my kitchen cabinets. So as you can see here, there are 3 different color temperatures. There's like this warm, there's this cool, and then there is this in the middle type of color. I also love how you can choose how you want the brightness to be. It could be a very soft, a balanced, a bright. I absolutely love that you can choose. There's different options between day and night, or night mode where it only triggers off in low lights. There's so many options that comes, and the remote control is incredibly easy to use. Another great thing is that it's smart motion detection, so I love how they turn on when I come into the kitchen, but they don't work all night, which is such a great option. I certainly recommend.